Yay! Today I'll be reviewing some of the most important things and one of the most important strategies that I love the most. Like, it's my favorite trading strategy to you. Okay, so make sure you watch all the way to the end because I'll be reviewing a very important strategy that has helped me to profit and also helped me a lot to stop losing when I was a losing trader, whenever I was losing. And now I have been very consistent for a while, for almost 10 months now, almost 1 year, ever since December of last year. Okay, so this particular strategy will help you a lot. If I can see just 1, 2 or 3 of you just profitable and maybe stop losing, reduce some of the pain that most beginner traders go through, I'll be very happy. So make sure you like this video right there, make sure you like this video, and make sure you subscribe down below. Okay, make sure you turn on the notification bell because I'll be dropping more and more content that will help you become a better trader every single time. Okay, so that's it. We need only 2 indicators, the moving average and the RSI. That's the only thing that you need. If you look at my chart right now, you can see how clean it is. Okay, just a moving average, the black line, just a moving average right here, and the RSI. That's it. Those are the only 2 things that you need. Okay, so let's get down to it. So before I continue, when I started trading, I had a very difficult time, like losing money or losing again and again, and you don't even know what you're doing wrong. You're trying to do your best to figure out what you're doing wrong, but you don't even know what you're doing wrong. But when you learn just one thing, you always find that just one thing changes the entire game completely. Like when you learn a very simple thing, changes your psychology, changes how you make money, it changes how you see the market and all these things. Okay, so today I'll be reviewing every single part. Okay, every single part of that. Okay, and also make sure you stick to the end because I'll be reviewing something that could help you even become more profitable sooner, because I'm just about to release something that will be of great importance to you. Okay, it will help you a lot. Okay, so let's get down to business. Okay, so this is GBPUSD. I trade GBPUSD pretty much almost every single day, almost every single time, and all you need is a moving average and the RSI. Okay, so what you do with this particular strategy is, okay, I have multiple entry strategies that I have around 6 entry strategies. So this is one of them, and it is my favorite because anytime I see it, I normally know today's money day. If you want to learn more of those, I'm having a very good package that I'm doing. I'll be reviewing maybe later. Okay, so what you do, you look at where exactly the moving average is heading. So is it bearish or is it bullish? So listen, even if you have learned this thing before through me, listen, I'll be reviewing something important. Okay, so what you do is, anytime you just come to the market right here and you are looking to sell this market right here, so what you do is, you can see we are currently using candlesticks, right? But most of the time I use the line chart. This is another entry technique you can use as well on your own end to help you a lot. So what you want to do, you want to see this price. If you are looking to sell, okay, you want to see the price in the overbought. Okay, you want to see the price in the overbought on a bearish trend. Did you get that? On a bearish trend. That is the most important thing, on a bearish trend. So if you are bearish, you want to sell. Okay, and if you want to sell, you want the price to have pulled all the way to the overbought zone on the 15 minutes time frame. On the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, right there. Okay, so the next thing that you want to see is some kind of continuation pattern right there. So once you see this candle right here, you don't do anything, you wait. Okay, wait. Okay, then once you see some 2 candles, these are two small candles, there is no momentum there to keep the market going, and then you see a bullish candle right there. Yes, most people say it is that it is easy to see when it's done. Okay, when it is done, most people say, oh, you always see it when it is done. Okay, what about when it was not done? I took the trade when it was not done, and it still worked. Okay, so what you do, you wait for a momentum candle to confirm your trend. Okay, that is it. You see the red candle bearish and engulfed the green candle that was bullish. Okay, and what happened? Boom, the market just slammed all the way for the whole day. Let's take another example. Okay, right here you can see the market pulled all the way to the moving average on a bearish trend, so we are looking to sell. That is one thing. Then the market got into the overbought zone. Okay, so when the market got into the overbought zone on a bearish trend, what is the next thing that you need to do? you wait for price action to confirm your actions. Okay. So you have the price action to confirm your actions. Okay. So you see a bullish trend and you are still sitting, you need to know when not to trade. Okay. And then you see another bullish candle right there, and then bam, a bearish candle sets in. Okay, and engulfs the previous candle. That is a good indication that it is time to sell, since you are looking for a selling opportunity. So you are just looking for a momentum candle towards your trading bias, towards your direction. Okay, so that is it. And then boom, just sell right there, and then your stop loss is all the way above there. It will be a very tight stop loss. How many pips? Let's see, around 18 to 26, around 8 pips on GBPUSD, 8 pips. And then you can hold the trade all the way to the end, all the way for the rest of the day. Okay, so you can risk even 8 pips and catch around 100 pips plus. Okay, it is very simple and very critical. So these are 3 days consecutively, 1, 2, and you've made very big pips right there, so many pips. Let's come to the third day right here. Okay, you see momentum candles coming in, and then you see this red candle, and the price is already in the overbought condition. Okay, and then you see this red candle. But does that give you any indication to show you the momentum is pulling? No, there's no indication right there. Why? Because there is no engulfing, there's nothing like to show there is enough momentum. In fact, as a matter of fact, the candle does not even close half the previous bullish candle, right? Then after that, you can see there is a momentum candle right there. Boom, bullish candle comes in, and then we have some hanging man right there. So this hanging man right here, you can see that shows the end of the trend. Okay, and you don't act on the hanging man immediately. You wait for the momentum candle to kick in. Boom. And what happens after that? The momentum candle kicks in. sorry for that. Kicks in, and then that shows you the market is now ready to head lower. Okay, and then your stop losses, boom, above there. So what's the risk to reward right there? You enter right here at 72, and then stop loss all the way up there. That is around 18 pips. Okay, so your risk to reward is around 18 pips only, and the market moves all the way for the rest of the day, just a little bit all the way to here. So 72 to all the way to here. So you get very nice risk to reward. So can we look for bullish potentials? So you can see there are some days that you don't get a trade using this strategy. That is why you need multiple strategies. That is why I have 6 entry strategies. Okay, you can learn that from my course. I'm organizing a very nice course from the beginning, even if you are a total beginner, from the beginning to the end all the way. Maybe I'll show you later on that, because there are some days like this you still want to make money. I will make money because I have multiple entry strategies. Okay, that maybe I can teach you if you like to. It will be only 80 bucks, 90 bucks. I've not decided yet, but it will be 80 bucks for the entire course, all the way from the beginning to the end. From what is forex, what are brokers, what is the currency, all those things, spreads, pips, and then you come to psychology. Then you come to how to snipe, to get good setups, how to filter good setups, how to know if a trade will work perfectly for that particular day, on that particular day. That is on GBPUSD. That is why I've mastered GBPUSD 100%, because I need to know exactly what will happen. I know exactly how many trades I expect in a week. So if I already got several trades, I know the days that will consolidate. I don't even need to trade on that day, because I know the market will not even move, because I've been trading GBPUSD for a long time. Okay, so that is it. If you look at that, there are some days that you need other strategies so that you can trade, right? There are days that you need other strategies like this. So that is why maybe you need to learn, maybe you need to invest in yourself and learn maybe some more techniques from me. I've been organizing every single step. I'll be showing you in just 1 second. Okay, so after that, you can see right here, momentum candle, the price comes all the way to the oversold zone. Then we have some trades coming all the way, touches the moving average. Okay, very important. Then gets into the oversold zone on a bullish trend right now, because we are looking to buy. Okay, and then after that, we get the momentum candle right here, and then confirms after this candle kicks in right there. But if you look at this candle, it has not even engulfed the trade, the candlestick. So it still looks like it is weak. if you are confident enough, you can buy right there, and stop loss is all the way below here. I have several techniques to place the stop losses the right way as well. I will be teaching on that entire course also, okay? But when the trend has been fully confirmed is when you see this kind of momentum candle right here. Boom, all the way in a combination with another entry technique that I will not be teaching today because it is not part of the strategy that I'm teaching you right now, okay? But you can find that on the course as well. Okay, so you can see the market like that. So let's take another example right here. You can see the price pulls all the way close to the moving average. Okay, then we get into the overbought zone on a bearish trend because we are looking to sell right now, and then boom, doji, and then a bullish candle, the green candle enters, and then boom, the momentum candle kicks in, and we have an engulfing candle right there. So you can just sell right there, stop loss above, and then you can ride the trade for the rest of the day. Okay, you can see how simple that is. Okay, it is very, very simple. All you need a moving average, RSI. I hope I have really saved someone some money, because trading is tough, and sometimes you lose and you don't know what you have done. Okay, what you have done wrong, especially when you are a beginner trader. Okay, so make sure you like this video. It is very, very important. You have supported me a lot. Okay, so this is what I'm working on right now. So the full course, I'm organizing it in a very, very decent way, step by step. Even if you are a total beginner, step by step you still learn all the way from the beginning to the end. Okay, so the first step, introduction. I've been introducing to make sure I show you exactly, I tell you exactly what you expect from the course. Okay, it is around 12 minutes on that, on the introduction, exactly to take you through whatever you are expecting on that. Then you have your step-by-step guide right here. Okay, it is a slides all the way, there are around 60 slides. Okay, then after that, introduction to forex. I have a video for that, 14 minutes. What is forex? Then all the key terms that you need to learn, and a video for that. Then forex charts that you can use. This is for the basic general, the beginners who are starting trading right now. Okay, and then those who have been in the game for a while, they don't need to know all these basics and all these things. Okay, they can start all the way from the trading psychology. So from lesson 4, very important, 12 minutes video and explaining every single thing. Okay, and then I have lesson 5, types of market analysis, all the way price trends, my technical analysis tools, the tools that I need, types of analysis. Okay, also the checklist and every single thing. This is on lesson 6, the 3 components of a good trade. This is very, very important. When to know that a trade is very, very good, that even you can afford to put a trade. Once it moves your way, add another, because you know exactly when the market is moving in your way. Okay, we have lesson 7, how to get a perfect setup. Okay, yeah, that's it. So it is just a little bit, a small part that is left. Okay, so how to get perfect setups to trade. Yeah, so I'm only leaving now. I will be continuing on the entire strategy now, and I'll be done by tomorrow. So if you want to book so that you can get the entire strategy, once it is out, I'll just announce. And if you want to book, just check the first link in the description below. Hit me up. Okay, so once you hit me up, boom, immediately I'm done. I'll just send a notification to you on Telegram, okay, to tell you that it is done, and now you can process the payments, and I'll just add you in the group. Okay, so it is almost done. I'll be done by tomorrow evening, so make sure you hit me up so that you can continue. Okay, also make sure you subscribe down below, and also make sure you like this video as well to learn more and more. Okay, I'll be teaching you more. The course will be entailed on every single thing, all the 6 entry techniques, strategies, exits, every single thing that you need to know. Okay, so that's it. I have this is only me, 1 subscriber. I have the other channel with paid members, over 50 members. So all of these members, I'll be adding them on that group, on that channel that has everything, so that they can learn. Okay, so these are the paid members who have learned from me previously. So I'll be doing this for free. I'll not charge them anything else. Okay, so even you, if you pay right now to join this the entire channel to learn every single thing, any upgrade that will happen in the future will definitely be for free. I'll not charge you anything else on top of that. Okay, so it's a guarantee that anything in the future will be for free. Okay, so even all these members who learned from me and paid before, they'll be getting everything for free. Okay, see you later. See you there on the group. Bye bye.